What's going on, guys? It's Troydan here. And today, we've got TikToks that had me wheezing. I don't know if I want to wheeze, but I kind of want to see if a TikTok can do that to me. Not seen any of these? Link in the description below. If you wheeze and I don't, that means I'm better than you. Try not to wheeze challenge. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alexa, what does volcano lava taste like?
Huh?
Hot molten lava has a unique taste.
Okay.
It is said to taste like extremely burnt marshmallows. It also described by some as spicy.
Oh.
However, I would like to warn you, if you consume lava, you will die.
Okay, got it. Got that one.
Speaking of things that are ridiculously hot,
Yeah.
how are you today, sweet cake?
Wait, hold on. You're telling me right now, if you whisper to Alexa, that bitch talks back to you in a whisper? Remind me to check that.
So I was waxing my
Hey, wheeze,
roommate's asshole like a good roomie does.
Sorry, I just want to make sure I heard that one right.
Waxing my roommate's asshole.
No, I didn't get to hear the full thing on that.
So I was waxing my roommate's asshole like
Okay.
a good roomie does.
Yeah, of course. Oh, that's it? Okay.
Will you wax my asshole?
Yes, I will, Andrew.
Y'all record it. He whacks it, I'll record for you, okay?
Support
Will you
Calgary.
wax my asshole for real though?
Yes, if you wax mine.
Deal.
Okay, mine's hairy as fuck.
Ew, man, you keep that to yourself, but you hairy asshole. Christ. Boss wants to know if I can make it in.
God.
Remember these days. Don't challenge a girl. Is that Blackpink?
Yo, a massage gun.
Ah, Jesus,
What are you
bud.
doing with
the
the massage gun?
volume. What are you
What you
doing? Dude, that's a vibrator, man. It's not funny. That goes in your mom's ass.
Yeah, just about to fuck this blunt up. Word.
Oh my God! What the hell? What? The? Of course she ate it. That surprised no one. Is it 9 plus 10, kid? First time having water. The hell is
Grandma.
that? Don't shoot Grandma.
Where'd you get that?
It's yours.
Hey, I haven't done anything wrong.
You're always doing this to me, though. What are you doing? What are you Are you kidding me?
Hold it.
What?
Drop it.
Shoot Grandma.
I said, drop it.
Shoot
Okay.
Grandma. I'll give you 50 bucks. 50,
Don't shoot.
60. 63.
Now kick it to me.
Why? Hey, fine.
All right. Did you learn anything from this?
That you're always prepared?
My grandma would tell me to get naked.
That's right.
Whoa, that was legit. I ain't gonna make me wheeze, but that was impressive, dude. I want to see it again. Oh, what the hell is?
If you laugh, you going to hell, part 1.
Oh, great.
Today is 9-year-old.
Oh God, I've seen this, dude. I
Tommy has lived most of his life in the hospital after being born with a
would never laugh at this.
and will undergo a heart transplant surgery next weekend. He's about as big of a traffic fan as they come, so in partnership with the Grant-A-Wish Foundation, both teams have agreed to come together and have Tommy run the first play of the game.
Is he blind? I forget.
Off, and there he goes.
No, he's not blind, is he?
It looks like he's gonna go all the way. Look at him go. Wow. This is really one of those heartwarming moments in sports where you just... Oh! Oh, my God.
I mean, maybe I'd wheeze if I hadn't seen it so many times.
Not good.
There's a cop.
Oh shit.
Yeah, he...
I'm 10-8.
Can I say a bad word?
Huh?
Can I say a bad word? Yeah. You motherfucking bitch!
What?
You're working from home. You may be wondering,
What?
day is it? Todd has the answer for us.
It's Monday.
My man.
On your ear, mate. Look at that.
I don't know. What is that?
Boom!
Oh, hi!
hey. Now, if you really want to impress me, do it with a chicken nugget. Then I'm, oh my God, it's a chicken nugget!
That's a groaner. Dude, the dentist women are always the hottest. Anyone else find that? What are you doing? Why are we seeing this? Nobody's wheezing at this. Put your tongue in your mouth, you nasty woman. What are you doing? You're just annoying this dentist woman. Man, people are weird. Everything down now that's probably copywritten, so I'm gonna sing. Turn around. This doesn't make me wheeze at all. Is this white humor? Turn around. Why is it still going on? Thank you.
Okay, I know there's something good here. There has to be something good.
Is that Cardi
there's
B?
so many likes. Oh, cute. Little. What the?
What you got on you? Hands on the wall, don't move. Quit moving, you're going to the pound.
No. Don't send this pussy to the pound.
Where's the drugs? Don't you hit me. That's aggravated battery, police officer. Hands on the wall. Hands on. Son of a. Taser!
That's how it really goes. Except kittens, there's never mind. Oh no. Oh no. What's he doing? Oh, his mask broke. I had that happen once, so I put my shirt on my head. Everyone saw my titties. Wow, just like she's doing. Whoa, not like that though.
We literally went to the store for one thing.
You sound basic.
I got a turtle. I'm gonna name her Taquito.
Fuck me, dude.
Did anyone know that the Scrub Daddy sponge has eyes and a mouth, and the mouth is to clean the spoons or the spatulas? Look, you put it right in, and you fold down and look.
Hey, yo, come get on my sister, bro. She be doing whatever y'all need.
Wax the
Eyebrows.
color out of
Oh! Wax
God
it.
damn.
What the fuck? You done took my whole...
Okay, so
Wait, can you do that in reverse? Like if I try to wax the white off me, will that work? Asking for a friend.
this idea that to not lose your glasses, you should get one of these things to put on your head. I'm like,
The hell
okay,
is
yeah,
that?
Mom, I'm gonna go out in public looking like this with this on my head, like.
That's what Uzi Vert got in his head.
Now, ma'am, can I interest you in a glass of sweet tea or perhaps a dick coke?
They got Dick Coke out there. What the hell is that? Look at some Dick Coke.
Where's the Mountain Dew go?
Usually what you gotta do to get Coke. Oh, one eye.
Only wants just a little bitty tiny of sugar in her tea.
She's making Coke?
Sugar for her.
Or crack, I mean? No, it's sugar. My bad.
My goodness, there's so much sugar here. My goodness.
So whenever I see white powder, I just assume it's crack. Like, oh, you know, the
You open
baking soda. Never mind. Just, you know what it is.
Snap from your best friend.
So be sure to open a laptop.
Fuck me.
What was that?
Kiss the thing beside you right now?
It's nothing beside me.
How in trouble would you be right?
Kiss me, fat boy.
What? How are you laughing at this? How is anyone laughing?
After one shot. This is us after 3 shots and 1 beer.
This is us after 5 shots and 2 beers. This is us after 7 shots and 3 beers.
This is us after 8 shots, 5 beers, and a 5th of Hennessy.
This is us after we don't know how many. And this is me after I don't know what the fuck happened. Wait, let me see.
They're brother and sister. They had so much alcohol, they had a kid together.
Your hands. Let me see your hands. It's not washing off.
It's coming off slowly. It's not washing. It's not washing off.
My sister
she got
pranked me
eggplant on her
years
face.
ago while I was sleeping.
I do not want to wake up with anything in my mouth, especially a
So
pizza.
here's my revenge.
Oh, he's gonna shove it up her butt, isn't he? Dude, you can see she looking. This is the fakest. Come on, boys. Oh yeah, dude, that's real.
As much as I can.
What is this pulling out? It just feels good.
Yep, and it brings down the skin's temperature. See how it kind of got stuck on the beard?
I can't breathe, so... Yo, what the hell? Am I watching racism?
When you're searching for a suspect and you go to your last resort. Can I get a oh yeah?
Oh yeah! Ha ha ha! You wish Beetlejuice was your brother.
Beetlejuice. Juice beetle.
Spell red.
Beetle of juice. The juiciest beetle.
This is not funny. If you're finding this funny, man,
Mom,
you're
what did you
doped
get?
up.
Penis bone earrings.
Penis bone earrings?
Penis bone earrings. Be jealous.
Raccoon penis bone earrings. It sounds about white. Good lord. Like a dream catcher next.
Purple, what are you doing?
Yo, what the hell? That's actually pretty good for you if you can stomach it.
Olive oil and lemon juice keeps you from getting Alzheimer's.
Dude.
What's your problem?
Hey, Mom, I didn't know you had hoes.
What?
Hoes, you know, they're extremely delicious.
When you order a plushie off of Amazon.
Oh, God. The air. Yo.
Williams, what happened? I locked my locker and my key was inside. Ow, my tit! I told you.
Oh, not her titty.
Why
She
is
needs
everything
that.
in my life gay somehow? There has to be a way to make everything gay.
Hey, man.
My whole car's covered in rainbow fucking soap.
Rainbow look good.
No, don't.
Face swap with my family.
Jordan! She's making me do.
The car wash.
Grandma says they're thinking about you. Fuck them.
TikToks that had me wheezing. I don't know about the wheezing here. The only wheezing I had was from something else. I don't know. Did you wheeze? Maybe there was one wheeze. I didn't. These weren't good. These weren't good at all. Guys, you got a video you'd like for me to watch or react to, you can tweet me at Troydan under the hashtag TroydanReacts. Thank you for watching. And kids, if you're wheezing at a young age, you should probably check that out. It could be something serious. You're welcome.